Alright, so in this video I'll show you how to read a steering angle sensor on a 22 Ram. So this is a new truck. So the trick is run it as a 2017 Ram. So I'm doing a manual selection and basically click OK. I'm using an auto scanner. It's gonna load for a little bit. Then I do control unit, chassis. Okay, hold on. Bring this back. Okay, so we do body and then steering column. We're gonna do live data. Alright, so check this out. So steering angle right here. And so I'm gonna move it and you'll see it moving around. So to center it, obviously it has to be in the 0. There's a bunch of videos as people are just talking nonsense. Nobody could figure out how to do it. So the trick is to run it as an older year. And I'm running a security gateway pass as well. So just in case if you have an issue doing it the way I did it, just in case, keep in mind that I'm running the security gateway pass. And as you can see, it's a 22.